And magandang umaga po. Very good morning to you guys. Happy Monday. Hopefully you had a very beautiful weekend. Um, Update tayo ngayon na PSCI dropped to 7,200. So massive drop last Friday. I've been talking about this sa inyo guys. PSCI is not looking well, especially sa pagpasok ng coronavirus and its previous movements. So it's very bearish right now. And we're gonna be talking about that, specifically in coronavirus, what the government is doing, and its effect on our investments. And if you have any questions about it, if you have any comments, post it in the comments. If you have anything to say about it, post it in the comments. Basahin po natin and we'll discuss about it. Ayan. So, yun po pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Stocks right now are I don't recommend getting into stocks right now. If you notice my yung investments ko sa eToro ko, I'm going cash right now because I'm waiting really for the crash. With the virus scare and then how high the markets are right now sa international market, it's not really a good time to buy. Strongly recommend you go cash. We'll discuss more about that later on kasi pero meron pa rin namang mga opportunities in the international market. Sensya na if mabagal ako mag-type ngayon, my hands are still not okay. Punta pa ako hospital ngayon to have this checked up. Anyways, ayan, I'm gonna go to the comments really quick. Bull and Bear, salamat sir. Thank you din. Nestor Kino, good morning sir Lloyd. Hope you are doing okay. Good health and more blessings. Hello mga tropang grinders. Ayan, good morning Nestor Aquino. Edgar Galang, good morning Sir Lloyd. May breaking news sa MWC, nakita ko lang sa Bloomberg. How's your finger? I hope it's getting better. Lost part of my finger. Actually, naputol yan yung isang daliri ko. Anyways, yes, I saw the news about MWC na may magpa-partner up sa kanila. Might save them from, what do you call this? It might save them from future tirades from Mr. President, diba? So, baka si Dennis O yung papasok kay MWC. I'm not sure, but that would be interesting. I'll wait for things to I'll wait for it to what do you call this? I'll wait for it to what do you call this? Tawag dyan. Materialize. It might make MWC climb, right? Si MWC, let's talk about that really quick. MWC. Yeah, si MWC daw may papasok na company na makikipag-partner sa kanila na investor that will help and make President Duterte stop attacking it. Actually, natapos na si President Duterte kay MWC, right? It had a massive climb last week and then nag-stop siya, hindi siya matrade last Friday. And then with this news, so hopefully babalik na sila pwede na matrade. Baka umakyat ito today. You can check it out. Huwag niyo lang pong pasukin basta-basta kung mag-gap up, right? Do not enter a gap up, please, if you don't know what you're doing. And if you're day trading, do not enter a gap up, okay? You can do intraday trading for this. If you don't know how to do intraday trade yet, that's a problem. If hindi niyo pa po alam paano, then don't. What you can do is, if ever position trader kayo, what you can do is wait for it to do a pullback. Let me just remove these lines. Position traders tayo, diba, are swing traders. So we wait for it to swing first. So let's wait for it to swing down. Even if umakyat yan, there will be, especially now in the market is bearish, so it's not a good time to go very aggressive. So don't aggressive on the top. Maiipit lang kayo niyan, right? Wait for it to drop. Kasi hindi naman malakas ang market ngayon, so magpo-pullback talaga yan. And then let's wait for a lower risk position before you want to enter MWC. It might be good for MWC yung news ngayon. So abangan ko pa yung development sa news na yan. Right? Nestor Aquino, mas magandang lumipad. Lumipad ang gold ng Amazon. Insights later, please. Alright, I'll talk about that. Kasi even if most of the stocks are going down, right, there's still opportunity in the market, and that's what I'm gonna be talking about today. Kasi sa investments nga natin, even though stocks are most probably gonna be dropping in the international market, gold is still doing good, right? Umakyat pa rin na umakyat si gold. Look at this. This is the performance of gold, and it's on an uptrend right now. Kaka-breakout lang ni gold dito sa level na ito, right here, and then it's doing a pullback right now. Pula siya ngayon, so it might bounce anytime soon. So this is very good for gold, right? We are seeing higher highs And we're just waiting for the higher lows so you can enter gold that way. So gold is still an opportunity. So more about that in a bit sa pag-usapan natin. Frederick Lasponia, Sir Lloyd, paki-check naman po account ko if I was attached your link. Magpa-fund na kasi sana ako. Alright, nga pala, about funding, you have until February 5 to fund it. Alright, dapat mag-fund na kayo ngayon. Frederick Lasponias, can you, meron naman kasi akong lista na mga username under sa akin. Can you please, what do you call this? Send me a post your eToro account here, username here, so I can check it out for you, okay? Alright, let me get my list really quick. So, yan. Crazy Aviation, good morning, Sir Lloyd. MWC release, disclosure about Razon shares. Si Razon ba ang papasok? I didn't read the news. I'm gonna be reading about it today. But it might make the company move today, okay? But then again, wait for the pullback lang. Or if you're a position trader, pwede yung gumalaw today, pwede yung umakyat today. You can't be sure. You cannot predict the market, especially now na bearish yung market, okay? Any Lim 2011, nag-send ka ng message sa akin sa sa Discord, right? So, let me just ikaw yung nasa partners na nasa Discord ko na nabasa, nag-message, 'di ba? I'll check it out. I'll check it out for you, especially for you. All right. I'll just do this really quick. Pasensya na sa lahat. I wanna do this because malapit na ang deadline. Sayang naman po. That's $50 given to you. Hopefully, may eToro account na kayo under sa akin at nag-fund na kayo. Alright? If you haven't funded yet, please do fund. Enilim, it's not under me. Send me a message. Mag-message ako sa iyo ngayon. Nakita ko naman yung message mo sa Discord for instructions. Please email eToro, Jeff Gu. Sa mga gumawa ng account na hindi under sa akin, email this person, eToro. Pasensya na, mabagal ako mag-type. So please email this person and request to have it affiliated under me. If they respond na, yes, we will transfer it under you, fund yun na kagad. Right? So, ayan po. Right. So, really quick. One moment, please. Okay. ISM po from Shinoda. Stocks are dropping right now, so I don't want to recommend trading stocks right now as much as possible. Stay cash right now. I'm staying cash right now, so I'm gonna be discussing you my investment moves for the next coming weeks, next coming months. Marims, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, then. Mark Lester, the passion of financial freedom. Yan, Sir Lloyd, partida pa yan, injured pa. Good morning, Sir. Present. All right. Andres Awayan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Paki-check naman po si HP. Nakapasa ko ng 167. Cut-loss na po ba? Nag-timing tayo sa ang ganda na sana ng technical analysis ng CHP. It's just that timing, yung NCOV. Because of the NCOV, investors are panicking. Yung mga hindi nga investors, nagpapanik di ba? Investors are panicking, so walang pumapasok ngayon. Kaya even CHP is dropping. All stocks are dropping. Hindi naman lahat. Meron man nag-green, pero the volume is not healthy. So if you traded CHP, I said this is strictly for trading. And thank you, NCOB. Ayan, nag-negative si CHP. So cut your losses po. Hindi po natin alam saan pa ang next bottom nito kasi nag-collapse na siya 142. Grabe ang drop na market last Friday. Right, I was kind of expecting it, but it's okay. Yung mga positions ko ngayon sa PSE for long term lang naman. So I'm planning to go average down. I'm staying cash right now so that when the crash happens, after the crash, the market will be stabilizing. That is when I'm gonna be buying more. Okay, Emily Golds, good morning, sir. Kumusta? Okay lang. Injured pa rin ang daliri. My other hand is still injured. I don't know if you can see it. Pero hindi siya grabe, gashes lang. Ito yung grabe, naputol talaga yung finger. Hi. Anyways, I'm happy na yun lang ang nangyari. Could have been worse. Pwede pa lumipad sa mata ko or anything else. Pero yun, hindi nangyari. So I'm still thankful na ito lang. Right, good morning, sir. This is from Andres Awayan. Robert Nicerio, good morning. Emily Goltz, good morning, sir. Musta okay lang? Sa eToro, yan. This is from Frederick Lasponia sa eToro, yan. Yes, sa eToro po yan. Hindi po siya under sa akin, sadly. So, please email that person. Edward Vince, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and to all investors and traders. Insights, Sir, kay Berkshire and Pins sa US market. Get well soon sa injury mo. Right, we'll Pins sa US market. I'll write these down. I've told good morning, Coach, watching from Qatar. Insights for kay Meg. PSE, not looking well right now. I don't really recommend trading PSE right now, especially na parami yung cases natin sa NCOV. So, that is gonna cause more panic. Nagpanic na nga tayo, isa lang, di ba? Going to that, yun po yung topic natin ngayon. Let's talk about it. NCOV has entered the country already. Meron na po tayong isang patay, lalaki, na in-check. He was from Wuhan, and then nagpunta ng Hong Kong, and then nagpunta ng Cebu, Dumaguete to Manila, and then there it is. And then doon siya na, sadly, that is where he passed away, sa Manila. Nagka-pneumonia last Friday daw, Saturday namatay. So, we have our first ever death from NCOV. And then, I was monitoring the news over the weekend. Meron pa nga yung nag-viral na in-check daw na nag-collapse. And then, wala, hindi natulungan. Tinawag lahat ng ambulansya, walang gustong pumulot. And, ayun, bumangon, naging zombie. Turned out to be, I don't know if it's really, it's real, but ang balita ngayon is, Koreano pala yun, na lasing lang, right? So, there may be a partly truth in it, because nakabangon pa naman siya. Usually kasi, nahihirapan ng bumangon yun pag na-NCOV daw eh. But, I haven't verified it. But, it's good if ever Koreano yon na lasing talaga. But, one thing that is very prevalent, what is my takeaway from that incident is, the Philippines, healthcare is not ready for it. Yung mga ambulansya nagpapanik, ayaw mga hospital nga nagpapanik, ayaw pulutin yung Koreano, 'di ba? So, that is one thing we need to consider. And, that is alarming, right? That is alarming. What do you think about it? Post it in the comments. Pero yun po yung takeaway ko sa inyo. Sadly, Philippines, the hospitals are not ready and they're scared. And if ever hindi bumangon yun, mas matatagalan pa yun, would have been a disaster, di ba? If NCOV victim talaga yun. So, yeah. With that, it should cause more panic. The panic is evident already. Masks are yung mga alcohol paubos, yung masks are out of stock. So yeah, PSEI, if you have money right now in PSEI, I don't recommend you buy stocks right now. If you can, yung mga trading stocks ninyo, ilabas nyo lang po muna, right? Don't only hold the long-term positions po sa investments ninyo. Why? Because investors are gonna panic right now. Even international investors, you know that PSE is greatly affected by foreign investors. Foreign investors are also scared because of the coronavirus right now. It might go rampant in Philippines, so they are taking away their investments in that country because, especially right now, nakita natin na incompetent po yung healthcare natin. Not saying overall, but with that incident na nangyari dong sa Koreano na nadapa, na hindi natulungan, ilang oras walang gustong pumulot, reject ng mga hospitals, may excuses na wala silang ambulansya. With that kind of reaction, Philippines, I don't think Philippines is that ready, right? You can argue with me na handa na ang Pilipinas, just basing it on that incident. Yun po yung parang nakita ko. So, that is what investors might see. Magkakaproblema sa Pilipinas if NCOV really goes out, and that causes recession. Pag nagka-recession, meaning yung mga tao takot pa munang gastos ngayon. I think January's recession this quarter's recession, this month's recession, and February recession is gonna be high, right? Natakot gumastos sa mga tao because look at what happened to China. Companies stopped operations. Pag nag-stop na operations, walang sweldo, so people are gonna be turtling up their money. They're gonna be saving their money hindi po gagastos sa mga tao most probably this coming months because they're gonna be saving it for the rainy days if ever it's gonna be a full-blown issue. So yeah, I'm expecting inflation to go up. Recession in China is already happening because of that. Um, they're just silent about it, but it's there. It might happen to Philippines. It is already happening. Even me ngayon, nagtitipid ako ngayon kasi it might happen, diba? So you don't really know what's gonna happen. So incomes are gonna be low in the next coming months. Trading is gonna be low, so I won't be spending because I don't want to spend more than what I'm gonna be earning. So yeah, take out your trading positions muna for PSE. Alright, that's my recommendation. Also, if we base it on history, nangyari yan kay SARS noon. Markets dropped heavily because of the SARS scare. During the first SARS, yung pinakaunang SARS case dito sa Pilipinas, markets dropped. Right? Nung lumabas yung unang news na meron na tayong NCOV sa Pilipinas, markets dropped last Friday, 'di ba? So we're expecting the drop to continue today, especially may namatay na, especially yung news, etc. So we're still expecting a drop in the PSE. So, ayan, I strongly recommend you stay cash in PSE at the very least, right? Wag po muna mag-trade, right? I strongly recommend you don't trade. This is a bearish market, and if you're trading now in this market, mas higher ang chances na matalo. Basically, nanguhula tayo, di ba, sa trading. Kung bullish ang market, mas madali manghula. That's why we gain in a bullish market. And this is a bearish market, mabigat ang selling and investors are not getting in. So it's gonna mas lesser chances na makatama tayo sa panghula. So most probably mas marami ang cut loss ninyo if ever you go trading today. So better not na lang. And then save your money. If the crash really happens, then you still have money to enter at the right spot. Or kung mag-bullish man, if mali man ako, at least let's say next week baka mag-bullish, edi next week tayo pumasok. Wag muna ngayon. Okay? It's really hard for the market right now. If you want to trade, pinakamagandang opportunity is gold. I strongly recommend gold. So here is gold right now. Ito yung chart ni gold. If you can see the chart, paakyat po ang chart ni gold. This is a 1-day chart. So gold, when the virus started mga December, umangat si gold, right? Because ito yung safe haven, right? It's good to invest in gold right now, especially with the scare. Gold became bullish and mataas pa si gold, pwede pa siya umakyat. So, don't want you to invest in this. I want you to trade gold if ever marunong kayo mag-trade. Gusto niyo talaga mag-trade, dito kayo mag-trade. Hanap kayo sa intraday ng mga uptrend na entries, right? Supports, uptrend pullbacks. So, dun po yung mga pasukin ninyo, right? You can do short-term kay gold. It's bullish right now. Okay, so yan, those are my 2 cents with coronavirus. Hopefully, ma-contain. Historically speaking lang kasi, nagda-drop ang market, right? We have SARS, right? Coronavirus right now. Andyan pa si Taal, the unrest of Taal. So, it's still very shaky because of that. So that's another factor that the market will will continue dropping. And ang pangatlo, si President Duterte is still attacking the erroneous contracts by the big companies, and that is scaring investors even further. So yeah, that's the third factor that I think is still gonna make the market go down. With these 3 factors, it's a perfect storm. Markets are dropping, and there it is. It's dropping it's at 7.2 right now. At around 9 o'clock, we're gonna look at the market opening. If it's gonna if we see so many reds, then that is gonna continue to drop today. Baka mag-pull back yung market because it was a massive drop last Friday. So baka mag-bounce, 'di ba? Mag-bounce. It might bounce today, but then again, it's just a bounce. Hindi na may ibig sabihin niya magre-reversal kaagad. The factors are still there. Coronavirus is still there. Taal is still there. The president's attacks on the big companies are still there. So, yeah. Markets are still gonna drop in my opinion. So, I don't want you to trade. Okay? I'll go to the comments if you have any comments about the issue. Ano ba sa tingin nyo nangyayari? Is Philippines ready for coronavirus? Sir, in times of the bear, ang PSEI is it's still safe to pour money sa UITFs. I still have equity fund in BPI. Right? So, stay cash right now. Right? Wag muna during a bearish, right? After the bearish is the best time to enter. During the bearish periods, it's not the time to put in money. Pagtapos na yung bearish period, may magandang balita na sa coronavirus, sa taal, etc. Yung sinasabi kong factors, 3 main factors that's affecting the market right now. Saka kayo bumuhos ng pera. Wag muna ngayon na while pababa pa ang market. Emily Gold, sir, ano kayo kasali ba ako sa ng 50% pandagdag din yon? Emily, if you created the account under me, let me check Emily Gultiano. Yes, your account is under me, and if you funded it, Emily, Emily Goltz yung username mo, nakita ko. If you funded it before February 5 and then after January 16 to Feb 5 kasi, if you funded it between, hindi ko kasi makita magkano ang linagay nyo at kailan nyo linagay. Right? All I just know it's under me. If ever you funded it during the promotion period, then you can get the $50. Meron na nga nagme-message sa akin, Sir Lloyd, but wala pa yung $50 ko. Masyado excited. Wait for the promotion po. After the promotion period which is February 5 yung last day, 30 days po nila ipaprocess yan. Usually after 2 weeks, lumalabas na yan. But they are asking for 30 days so that they can review everything. And if ever hindi nyo matanggap, don't worry, tutulungan ko po kayo. Right, Nanette, just make sure you created the account under me. If hindi nyo po alam, if under me po, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 and we'll check it out together. Right, Nanette Lim, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Why is it that all banks are downtrend? Hindi lang po banks, karamihan po ng stocks are downtrend talaga is because, yes, market is down, especially with the coronavirus entering the country, especially now na may namatay na sa country natin, Nanette. So that is gonna scare off investors. Matatakot pa mga investors. So yeah, we are expecting for it to go down. Even if the banks are doing good, right? Maganda naman yung performance ng mga banks. BPI, meron news last week na mga banks are doing good still. Yeah, they're doing good. It's just that kahit mag-aanong kaganda ang company, if investors are not there, they will still go on a downtrend. Wala po tayong investors ngayon, especially foreign investors. Filipinos are not looking at investments right now. They're looking for survival. Panic mode muna ang Pilipinas ngayon. So, wala pang ganong mag-i-invest. Especially right now, na pangit ang market. Walang ganong bagong mga Pinoy pumapasok sa PSE. So, lesser investors. That's why it's dropping, even if the companies are doing well. Scuba Sheep Productions, MWC Insights. I still need to read the news for MWC. Si Razon daw. If someone can put it in the comments, parang, what do you call this, summary ng news, sino bang papasok, why do they think it's gonna be good, then we'll check it out. But it might move today, pero, and I can't assure you because the market really is going down, right? Malin Cruz, good morning, sir. Pagaling ka po. Insights po kay Gold, GFC, and Tesla. Gold, I think gold is gonna be continuing the uptrend, especially with the scare right now. Mukhang aakyat pa yan si gold. Okay? So, right now, nagpo-pull back si gold sa 1 day niya. So, this is good. Maybe you can get an entry in the 5-minute chart. Yan, sa 5-minute chart, we have a support already. So, this can be good for hindi, downtrend pa siya sa 5-minute chart. So, possible support right here for sa 5-minute chart niya. If you're doing day trading, if you know how to day trade, we look for, nagpo-pull back siya. If it goes, if kaka-pullback niya lang aakyat niya na and then nagpo-pullback na. So, we'll wait for another stabilization for gold and that will be a good entry for day trading. Possible support right here. Pinasok yan ng mga day traders. Makita niyo po dyan dito. Right, this is the previous bounce and then here's the current bounce. Pinasok ng mga tao, yung mga day traders kumita na yan most probably. I would have entered this. This stock is on an uptrend. Overall, this would have been a possible support. Ilang pips din yan. Then, kita sana yan for day traders. Ila-leverage nyo lang. So, next pullback and bounce. If ever it bounces here again, that will be a very good entry for day trading. Okay? So, day trading for gold, I think gold is still on an uptrend. JFC and Tesla. Si Tesla, grabe ang akyat ni Tesla after the earnings report. Si Tesla, lumipad pa rin. So, hanap lang kayo ng pullback ni Tesla and then before you wanna enter. At sobrang taas na ni Tesla. I cannot recommend it anymore. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Tesla noon. Sobrang yaman yun na ngayon. Excuse me. Sorry about that. JFC. So JFC still dropping. Blue chips dropped a lot last Friday. So sadly, because of the coronavirus scare, there's a possible support for GFC, but I don't really want to go aggressive in this kind of market right now. Pag ganito kasi market, walang pakialam sa supports yan. So I don't want you to trade. Antayin lang natin. Let's see what the market is gonna be doing in the next coming future. Pag nag-bullish yung market, then we can look for a bullish entry for JFC. Bullish entry sana is a support sana, di ba? If the market is on an uptrend and then JFC hit a support, I definitely buy this, right? We're gonna be going with the trend. But right now, we're looking for bullish positions. Naghintay tayo umakyat sa JFC. We're looking at an entry for it to go up on a bearish market. So you see the conflict, right? Pababa ang market, pero we enter a blue chip hoping that it will go up. So we're going against the market trend. So it's not good trading for you. So I don't recommend JFC right now. Right? Never go against the trend. Michael Sarmiento, Sir Lloyd, nag-join request na po ako sa Financial Freedom 101. Financial Freedom 101 is my Facebook page. You can like it anytime. Speaking of like, guys, sa Facebook page ko po, Financial Freedom 101, please like it. If you want entrepreneurship, mga topics, money topics, please follow my page, Financial Freedom 101 on Facebook. Alright, Nelson Panaligan, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pakicheck naman po yung pumasok ni account ko, Shane1423. Let me look for it. Yes, it's under me. Ayan. So, it's under me. So, congratulations. Kung nag-fund kayo before February 5, January 16, between those dates, then you should be able to get the $50 bonus. Yes. So, mga hindi pa nakagawa ng eToro account, please join us sa eToro account. Trading in the international market. If you want to learn how to trade, please create an eToro account using my link. Please use my link po. Malaking tulong po yan sa Financial Freedom 101 so that we can continue this help ng everyday program po natin para ma-continue po natin. Alright, and you can join the day trading seminar if gusto nyo po matuto mag-day trading. Right? Create an eToro account using my link and I can give you access to the trading masterclass with Miss Arby Necesito. That's day trading, commodities, gold, and oil. Napaka-informative po ng webinar and it's for free. All you need to do is create an eToro account using my link. Right? So, huwag nyo pong sasayangin. Create the account, then fund it. You can get the $50 plus you can get access to the webinars that I have. Alan, ayan po. Joseph Tanel, sa technical, Sir Lloyd, saan papunta sa PSEI? After drop sa support, will it go lower sa next support or opinion nyo po? Yung volume namin bumaba din, apektado sa 10K drop. Right? PSEI, ang galaw kasi ni PSEI is not a normal market movement. Right? This is a panic movement right here. This is a black swan. And this is caused by an event. Right? Pag ginawa ng event 'yan, kahit walang pakialam yung support na 'yan, right? It can drop even further down. Basta ganito ang nangyayari. It's an event, may parang bad news that is not gonna look at the technical analysis, right? If ever walang normal market walang event, walang coronavirus, walang issue kay President Duterte, wala yung taal, and this drop right here, we can look at the support because normal market movements will respect supports. But this is not a normal market movement, right? There is an issue behind the drop. So, most probably, it will not look at the technical analysis. So, wag muna kayo masyadong mag-technicals ngayon because the market tends to do whatever it likes against technicals if ever may ganito na mga issue. Okay? So, hopefully that answers your question, Joseph Tanael. Alan Garcia, Cabalar. Hi, Sir Lloyd. Kindly check my account. I funded last January. Thank you po, Cabalar. Can you please send me your username? Kasi Romy yung nandito na Cabalar eh. Walang Alan Garcia Cabalar. Emily Golds, yes sir, nagdagdag ako last week ng fund ko. Alright, Emily, this is only for first-time funders, okay? Kung first time nyo palang nag-fund January 16 to Feb 5, then you can get the $50. If ever nag-fund na kayo before that, sadly, hindi na kayo kasali. Pasensya na. Break the cycle, sir. How about crypto? How about in crypto? Crypto is also rallying, right? Crypto right here, let's say BTC, Bitcoin is rallying because of the scare. Kasi ang effect ngayon ni crypto is para rin siyang gold, di ba? People are considering crypto as the new gold. So it's rallying. It's on an uptrend right now, so it's good to trade it. Pwede nyo po i-trade ito. Okay? If you wanna trade crypto, you wanna trade 24/7. Maganda mag-trade sa crypto. Investing wise, I really don't like it right now. I am a believer of crypto, believe it or not. Isa ako sa mga unang mga nagmamine sa crypto noon because I believe in the technology. Si crypto noon naglalaro lang yan sa $600 to $1,000, $600, $1,000, $600, $1,000. Doon lang ang range ng crypto. Right? I see people using it for its purpose, which is purchasing and as wallet talaga. Ngayon mainit si crypto, but sadly I'm not seeing advancement in the application, right? Bitcoin. Gusto ko sana na si crypto gamitin talaga for trading. If ever people are already gamitin talaga for transaction, daily transactions. If ever especially dito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? If ever I can see that already, that will be the time that I can say na okay si crypto. Right now mainit lang si crypto. It's because of speculation. It's purely speculative right now. So if you want to speculate in it, maganda naman yung speculation niya. You can put some money in it. If ever pumupunta yan sa baba. Huwag di ngayon na nasa taas, nasa resistances na tayo. Right? Trading it, okay naman kasi there's volatility. Volatility is always a friend of traders. It's just that ngayon, I wanna see more advancement in crypto and Bitcoin na magagamit talaga siya for transactions na mas mabilis. Crypto, you can trade it. Yet, maganda i-trade ngayon sa crypto kasi it's volatile. Ingat lang kasi nasa resistances. Zenaida Karunungan, Sir Lloyd, okay po ba to buy today ang GFC? No, it's not because of the overall market is dropping. So, please do not trade right now. Nestor Aquino, long-term for GFC, para may imbak lang, do you think it will be okay? Yes, it will be okay. Mag-imbak kayo ng GFC. Pero mamaya na kayo mag-imbak after the downtrend of the market. Okay? You can buy some if ever you see stabilization and then buy some again. So, kung bumaba pa, you can do that. Si Alan, yeah, your account is under me. AGC stocks 1970. AGC stocks pala ang linagay mo. Dalawa ito sila. So yes, it's under me. So congratulations. World Adventure, you would think 3M would go up. Look at all the face masks. It might go up. It's just that hindi pa natin nakikita ang earnings nila. Right? So, if you want to speculate on that, the good thing is 3M is hitting support levels. Malapit na siya sa support levels right here. So, pag malapit na sa support, then you can start buying. Or pag nagsastabilize na sa 3M, then we can start buying 3M because of all the face masks, right? Right? That's a good speculation. But right now, it's always the price action that will tell you what's happening. So, price action-wise, wala pa siya. So, it's not yet good. Pero, you can speculate on that. Pag nag-support ito, pwede natin bilhin sa support. Nestor Aquino, Sir Lloyd, what is margin call in eToro? Can you please elaborate further? Thanks. Margin calls are automated trading. Alright, ikaw nagsasend ng mga margin calls mo. Alright, for example, let's go to my virtual portfolio. Alright, so virtual portfolio, let's say, for example, let's trade yung last episode natin, yung gold na binili ko, it's already earning. It's already up 0.36. So, that's good. Margin calls are like this. Let's say, for example, Tesla. Wanna trade Tesla. Ito dito yung margin calls. This is the margin call levels right here. So, and dyan po yung stop loss and take profits. And ayun. let's say we want to invest $500 in Tesla times 1 leverage. So your margin calls will be this, stop loss and take profits. Meaning, if those, yung margin profit mo or yung margin loss mo na hit, then it will execute. So right now, yung stop loss is at negative $250, meaning 50% of my investment. If ever nawala ang 250, magsa-stop loss ako. So margin call will pull me out of the trade. And take profits, I can set it out to, let's say for example, sa $500 ko, gusto kong kumita ng $600, $100. Right? So take profits ako ng $100. Meaning, if mag $600 na ang ano ko or mag-gain ako ng $100, magte-take profits na ako. If I lose 250, stop loss. I can lesser this. If I want sa $500 ko, I only want to risk, let's say $30, which is around 6%. Right? So 6% of the position, and my margin call will be, if I'm losing $30 already, then ma-out ako sa trade. So basically, it's your stop loss. So these are margin calls, right? So you can set order, and then that's it. Okay, that's to access. That's to answer. Nestor Aquino. Alright, World Adventures Bitcoin news. There's like 99 days left before the next miners halving, so people are buying thinking it will go up. Again, there is like 99 days. This is from World Adventures Bitcoin news. There's like 99 days left before the next miners halving. Ayan, pag-half daw yan. Halving daw yan. Question is, how do you predict that there is 99 days na mag-half in the next 99 days? That's what people have been talking about. Mag-halving daw dito, mag-halving daw yan. These people are trying to predict the market. You cannot predict the market. Come on. Right? So, pang-hype lang nila yan. So, wag po kayong maano dyan. Wag po kayong ma-FOMO dyan. Especially, these news are going out because Bitcoin is already up there at the resistance. If you wanna check BTC, right? Bitcoin is reaching 9,600 ulit. Mga 10,000 po yung mga resistance niya. Right? They're hyping it now so that you will buy at the top and it will help it break out. Pag nag-break out, magkakaroon ng frenzy o aakit pa yan. So, they're trying to entice you to buy Bitcoin so that it will go up. I don't recommend for it to go up right now. Kung gusto niyo pumasok kay Bitcoin, antayin niyo po mag-breakout. Antayin niyo po mag-break ng 10,000. That's where you enter. Okay? Huwag kayo ang magpapa-breakout kasi binibentahan lang kayo ng mga nasa baba. Right? They need you to buy Bitcoin so that it will go up para mag-breakout actually. Yun po yung nangyayari. So, if you wanna enter, just enter on the breakout instead. Don Lucas, sir, pwede ba eToro gamitin using cellphone lang po? Thanks, yes, you can use cellphone to trade eToro. Michael Sarmiento, Sir Lloyd, my wife created an account using your link because I'm here in Canada. My username is Marites07. Agoy, Marites07. Hopefully, ma-access na kayo sa webinar. Send me a message. To access the webinar, send me a message in my Financial Freedom 101 page. It's under me. So, Michael, it's under me, so you should be able to join the webinar. Okay, just send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 kasi doon ko tinatrack. Hindi ko tinatrack ang mga messages dito sa Facebook. Emery Golds, ay ganun ba, sir? Sayang naman. Anyway, thank you na lang. Sir, pagaling ka. Congratulations yun, Miss Apple, sa bagong biyayang parating. Thank you so much. Nestor Kino, thanks, Sir Lloyd, for your clear response. As always, you're welcome po. Michael Chan, Sir Lloyd, hindi po pakasend Yahoo to jeffgu@etoro.com. Please check email before sending daw. I'm not sure why, right? Hindi makasend ng email, Yahoo to jeffgu@etoro.com. I'm not sure why. I used Gmail and it's okay. So there must be a problem with Yahoo, right? So sa Yahoo yung issue na yan. So if you can create a Gmail account, sa Gmail nyo na lang isend. Okay? Alright, so with that, I don't have any recommendations for today sa stocks muna. I want you to stay away from stocks. If I have any recommendations to trade, I want you to trade gold. Si gold po. And Bitcoin. I can say Bitcoin because it's volatile right now. It's just that nasa resistance na ngayon si Bitcoin, so konting ingat. But I want to recommend definitely si gold. Right? Si gold kasi kaka-breakout lang and nagpo-pullback na siya. So bounce is imminent. So pwede nyo po i-trade si gold. Gold the next coming days. Dito kay gold. Alright? No, not gold. Gold. Right, meron mga chart requests kanina sa international market. So ayan, nagpo-pullback pa si gold. So I guess the support did not sustain kay gold. Right, so the support did not sustain. So it's on a downtrend right now. So abangan nyo po pag nag-stabilize yan anytime soon, then we can try to enter gold. There's another support right here for gold. This is your next entry, right, for gold. Okay? So ayan, nagba-bounce na naman siya. Alright, anyways, ayan, ano ba? I can't Sir, kailan yung webinar with Lani Pty 1972? I'm still gonna talk to Lani Pty, alright? Mag-uusap kami today. February, most probably. I can't promise you any dates yet, but yes. Where do you live in Canada? Right? I'm in Philippines po. Sir, Euro. Is that in PSE na Euro? Di ba may Euro sa PSE? Euromed Labs. Yan. So, yung mga labs ngayon yung mga hospitals, mga meds ang maakyat. So, nag-ceiling si Euro. Tingnan niyo po ngayon, baka mag-ceiling ulit. But, please be careful. Huwag kayong papasok basta-basta kung hindi nyo alam anong ginagawa ninyo. There was a request kanina at the start. CHP, cut-loss na pins. Ito, si Berkshire and pins. Berkshire for the international market. Berkshire Hathaway. Ayan. So, Berkshire Hathaway is back at the support right here. Kaka-breakout lang ni Berkshire, I'd say this is bullish already. Wait for an entry dito sa support niya as much as possible. That is where you enter Berkshire, right? So around mga 224. 224 is a good entry for Berkshire. Hopefully, it will give you that position. Maganda na itong pinapakita ng Berkshire ngayon. Right? We already have a divergence at these levels. Paakit na siya. So, this is what happened and then starting to go up again. So, Berkshire is okay. And lastly, si PINS. PINS. Ayan, si Pinterest. Alright, Pinterest breakout. Ay, hindi. Still on an uptrend already. Yeah, this is already okay. Previous resistance, the pins was really at around 22. So, yeah. Nag-breakout na si pins, nag-hold na. Yeah, 22 is a good entry for pins. This is good. You can enter pins around 22. Okay? Yan yung support nyo. 22.02 siya ngayon. I'd say yes, you can enter pins and then cut loss below that support. Yun po yung pwede nyo pasukin. Good find. Right? Sir Lloyd, pa-check si DMC, PSE, DMC. Green siya last Monday. But then again, we are going to be trading against the market, so I don't really want to recommend it yet. We don't have a support. There is good price action here. It might go up. It's just that I don't recommend trading right now. PSE is bearish, and with bearish market, it usually does not care about supports. So it's gonna be very risky. Mas malaki ang chances na matalo kayo. It's really hard to call right now. So I really don't wanna recommend that. Sir Lloyd, may volume indicator ba ang eToro? Sadly, wala po. You can use a different chart like not invest the charts. Ano ba yung isa pang chart na ginagamit ko? Investing.com chart. No, not Investagrams. Investing.com, may chart sila. You can use their chart. Sir Lloyd, pa-check si DMC week already. Divergence sa oil, please confirm. Uy, kamusta natin sa oil? Ganda rin yun si oil eh. Hindi. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. Sorry. Kay pins kanina. Right. So, now we're looking at the 1-day chart. Yan. So, 1-day chart niya, hindi pa. Right. Malapit na sa MA20 si pins. So, MA20 nyo papasukin. Right. So, si oil, ayan. So, nasa support na ulit si oil. So, this is gonna be good for oil. Yeah, divergence in oil on the short-term levels, on the daily charts niya, short-term. Ayan na si oil. Right? Mukhang support nito si oil. Yeah, you can bet on the support. Massive support for oil, actually. Very good support for oil. Short-term, we have a divergence, pero on the longer term, medyo bearish siya. Yeah, pwede nyo test ang oil na support. I wanna check more news on oil before I really wanna trade it. So, mas maganda if check niyo po ang news kay oil. I haven't, sa short-term chart niya, may divergence naman. So, that's good. Alright, so, Actually, guys, I'm not feeling well. Masakit ang ulo ko bigla. Right, so, ayan, trading view from Mark Lester. Nestor Aquino, ayan na ulit ang gold. Profit na ulit. Thanks, Sir Lloyd. Yeah, you're welcome. Anyways, ayan, I'm gonna have to cut the program short. It's still 9:17, but pasensya na. Still not feeling well. I'm taking so many meds right now because of the injury. So, yeah. Ayan. Nag-shutdown bigla yung energy ko. Anyways, and you need energy really to do these programs every day. Doing my best for you guys. Tomorrow, kakamustahin natin ang market. I'm still gonna be monitoring the market, but I have a very good investment I'm looking at right now, and I want to share it to you guys once I'm already ready for it. So abangan nyo po, may maganda akong investment na i-share sa inyo. It's already an existing investment and it's legal, of course. I'll share it to you one of these days. I'm still doing my research about it. So yun po isa sa abutin natin na topic the next coming days. I'll monitor the market for you and tingnan natin bukas kung maganda ang takbo ng market. Sir, pagaling po kayo, nakakaubusan na po ng mas dito sa Taguig, pati alcohol, hirap bumili. Yun nga po eh. So, people are hoarding. So, yeah. Ingat po kayo, right? Do not, though, yung coronavirus, mas lesser naman yung mortality rate niya. Meaning, mas konti na mamatay, pero mas marami pong nahahawa. So, it's just proportional pa rin overall. Pero mas konti ang namamatay compared to SARS. Pero, wag po, do not be complacent, right? Please be safe, right? Avoid crowded places. If kaya nyo naman po na wag munang gumala-gala, then wag lang po muna, right? Health is wealth, right? Just live through this. Just be okay through this and you should be okay. Mamaya na, right? Wag nyo po pipilitin, wag nyo po pipilitin lumabas. And yes, wear mask. Always clean your hands. And avoid crowded places. Black Swan na ba, sir? Nga pala, tingnan natin ang market stock market status projected price. So makaangat na naman. Tingnan natin sino mga aangat. M-wide MPI. So may mga blue chips naman na umaangat. Right, so, yeah, the opening of the market doesn't say na magkukontinue yung drop. Pero makita nyo po dito, mas maraming blue chips na nasa baba. ISM is dropping 3.2. Holcim Fruit, Axelo, Mac. Yan, yung mga blue chips natin mukhang bababa. Right. Can't say right now. It's not really a bullish move for the market. So, baka mag-bounce or bumagal muna ang market and before dropping again. It's still grim for the PSE for me for now. So, I don't want you to go trading. Mas mag-inam na you stay cash and then just take advantage of the market once bullish na siya. That's the best move you can do right now. So, stay cash po. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Please do not forget to subscribe and share the video so that your friends naman or your trading groups, yung mga newbies naman, malaman nila there's a program like this that can help them. Thank you so much. And don't forget, February 5 po yung deadline ng eToro promotion. So, fund your accounts. Make sure you create the account using my link, and then send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101 para mabigay ko po sa inyo yung access ng webinars natin on how to day trade. Libre lang po yan. All you need to do is create an account using my link. Bye po.